Hi there, and welcome back to the GridMate Learning channel. After completing the configuration in the first part of our demo, today we're jumping into the live demonstration. Last time, we successfully configured and set up the map list, and now it's time to see it in action. Let's begin. First, take a look at the map. You'll notice that marker clusters intelligently group nearby markers into a single visual element, keeping the map clean and easy to read. And even better, the markers are color-coded based on account type, so you can instantly distinguish different categories. From here, you can see the popover fields when hovering over a marker. And in the Detail panel, you can view the configured detail fields. Now let's explore the area. We'll start with a search. By adjusting the radius, we can dynamically explore accounts within a specific zone. As you can see, accounts inside the selected search radius immediately appear on the map, powerful and interactive. We can also refresh the map at any time. Clicking on an account in the list instantly takes us to its exact location on the map. And also clicking on an account on the map will guide us to the account on the list. Now let's try a mass action. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and select multiple accounts. You'll see them automatically selected. Click the drop-down and select Assign Account. Let's change the owner. You can also select multiple records and assign them to a different owner in just a few clicks, fast and efficient. From here, you can view the account, edit it if needed, or update the type for a single record. Click Submit. Record actions can be performed directly from the map by hovering over a marker to view, edit, or update the type. Click Submit. We can also search directly by account name. And of course, you can use either the quick filter or the advanced filter. Let's filter the map to display only customer accounts. And just like that, the map updates, now showing only the accounts that match our filter criteria. Clean, dynamic, powerful, and that's it for the demo. Thank you for watching.